Hello and welcome to this tutorial on Ficus propagation and braiding. Ficus is a staple in houseplants and is very easy to propagate from stem cuttings. We'll be looking at how to propagate Ficus benjamina and Schefflera arboricola for braiding purposes. First, let's have a look at what you will need. Get yourself a pair of strong pruners, a few 8-inch pots, some perlite, soilless potting mix, twist ties, sorry, no noise for this, and Nutricoat. The proper technique when pruning is to make a clean cut at a 45-degree angle right under a node. Then, cut the branch again at an angle right above a node so that the tree can form a proper scar there. Stem cuttings should be pencil thick at the base and around 45 to 60 centimeters from tip to tip. Remember to use the proper pruning technique. Cuttings are then trimmed to remove leaves and twigs. You want to clear out about 15 centimeters at the base of the cutting to be able to insert it into the rooting medium. Remove dust and insects from the leaves with a strong stream of water. The cuttings are then ready to be inserted into 8-inch pots filled with perlite. It's easy. Just stick them in about 10 cm deep and firm the medium so that the cuttings can stay upright without support. Try to make 3 clusters of 4 cuttings each per pot. Rooting should take a month or less in a mist frame. Water as needed to keep the perlite moist. When roots start growing out of the drainage holes, it's time to transplant the cuttings into potting mix. As much as possible, separate the cuttings into clusters of 4 stems each. Prepare 8-inch pots with a mix of potting soil and Nutricoat. Each pot can receive a cluster of 4 cuttings. Keep them together and insert them in the center of the pot. Fill up with more potting mix and firm it around the cuttings to keep them upright. Allow the cuttings to establish themselves in the potting mix. Water as necessary. Unrooted cuttings can be put back in the mist frame to allow rooting. They may simply need a bit more time. The first step when braiding is to remove leaves and twigs that would make manipulation difficult. Most leaves growing towards the exterior of the pot can be kept for now. The typical braiding method consists in crossing 2 opposing stems, then crossing the other two facing stems over that first cross, and then crossing the first two stems again, and so on. Once you're done and the result is to your liking, tie the stems at the top of the braiding with a twist tie or a piece of string. Finally, set free any leaf entangled in the braid. Prune and shape the plants according to your taste. And there you go.